So in the question it is given that three forces of 2p, 3p and 4p act along the three sides of an equilateral triangle of side 100 mm taken in order. Find the magnitude and position of the resultant force. So eta triangle, equilateral triangle, tinta force ek ase. One force is 2p, one force is 3p and one force is 4p. Okay. Then what we have to find? We have to find the magnitude of the resultant of this force, of three forces, coplanar forces, and then we have to find its position. So for this this 2p force acting, we will resolve this all those forces into horizontal and vertical component. First we will resolve its horizontal component. So here horizontal component is 2p, and for this 3p, how we will resolve? 3p cos 60 degree. Let us look here. This is 2p and this is acting as 3p and this is acting as 4p. So here angle is 60 degree and here angle is 60 degree. So this component 3p will resolve here, 3p cos 60 degree, and this 4p will come in this resolution, and it is 4p cos 60 degree. Okay, so we get 2p minus 3p cos 60 degree minus 4p cos 60 degree. And what we will get? We get minus 4.5p. Again we will resolve in its vertical component. The vertical component ki pam ami? 3p sin 60 degree. Okay, for 3p upward jabo aru eta amar ki hot jabo? Downward jabo. Here this is for this 3p, it will go upward direction and it will go downward direction. That's why 3p sin 60 degree minus 4p sin 60 degree. So we will get it minus 0.866p. Okay, so resultant uliyabole amar formula hoy square root of sum of horizontal square plus sum of vertical square. We put the value here, and what we have get? We have got 1.732p. Okay, so after that we have to find its position. So for finding its position, let us assume x. Okay, x is, what is x? X is the perpendicular distance between B and line of action and the line of action of the resultant force. Okay, it's the perpendicular distance between B point and line of resultant force or line of action or major perpendicular distance. So we will apply Varignone's principle of moment, and we will take moment along point B. So B point ochete ami moment lom, what we will see that as because this 2p force and 4p force passing through point B, so a 2p and 4p karone B ki hoi jabo, yate moment hoi jabo 0. So there is no need to consider 2p force and 4p force. What we will consider? We will consider 3p force. Okay, 3p force consider korim, but here ki consider korim ami only perpendicular component. So here perpendicular component, so ami 3p jodi resolve koru, eta amar ahi jay, ami already resolve kora ase, eta 3p cos 60 এইটো direction or aru eta amar 3p sin 60. So amar yate perpendicular jito hobo 3p sin 60, ta ami kar equal korim jito resultant force paiso into that distance, what we have taken that distance x. So ami ki korim? Ami hei resultant force or logot x to into kori ami kar equal pai jam 3p into 100 sin 60 degree. So here ami x or value pai jam 150 mm. So the position of the force we have got 150 mm from point B. Again one more question, let us discuss what is the here. Four forces equal to p, 2p, 3p and 4p are respectively acting along the four sides of a square ABCD taken in order. A to ABCD tamar tinta force ase, eta ase p, next 2p, next 3p and next 4p. Find its magnitude, direction and position of the resultant force. So again ami for finding its magnitude, what we will do? We will resolve these forces into horizontal and vertical component. For horizontal, what is here? This p positive side of ase and this 3p a horizontal component to amar negative side of ase. So p minus 3p. Okay, what we have got? Minus 2p. For vertical, a to upward and this 4p is downward. So ami palu 2p minus 4p minus 2p. So resultant ami uliyai dile ami pam 2 root 2p. Okay, we will get resultant 2 root 2p. And for finding direction, what we will do? We will find tan theta is equal to sum of vertical by sum of horizontal. What we get? Tan theta is equal to 1. That means theta equal to 45 degree. As because here vertical or horizontal duta component minus minus ot ase, that means it third quadrant ot thakibo, ar third quadrant ot amar kar majot thake 180 aru 270, ar mane ei 45 to ami paisu. So ami yar logot ki korim, ei 182 jodi ami ekdom year starting or pora jodi ami direction uliyabo jao, ei 182 ei 45 er logot plus kori ami direction pai golo kiman degree angle ot ase, ei 225 degree angle ot thaka boli pai golo with this positive x direction. এতিয়া আমি আকৌ আগৰ প্ৰসেছ এডপ্ট কৰোঁ আমি x টোক ধৰি লওঁ পাৰপেণ্ডিকুলাৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চ আমি এবাৰ মুভমেণ্ট এট পইণ্ট এ ল'ম আমি মুভমেণ্ট পইণ্ট বিও উলিয়াব পৰা আমি মুভমেণ্ট এট পইণ্ট এ কনচিডাৰ কৰিছোঁ আৰু x টোক ধৰিছোঁ পাৰপেণ্ডিকুলাৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চ বিটুইন পইণ্ট এ এণ্ড দ্য লাইন অফ একশ্যন অফ দ্য ৰিজাল্টেণ্ট ফৰ্চেছ এগেইন উই হেভ এপ্লাই ভেৰিগ্ৰন্স ফৰ্মুলা এণ্ড আমি মুভমেণ্ট ল'ম এবাউট পইণ্ট এৰ ওপৰত ল'ম এতিয়া পইণ্ট এৰ মাজেদি আমাৰ কি ফৰ্চ পাৰ হৈ গৈছে চোৱা এটা গৈছে পি ফৰ্চ আৰু এটা গৈছে 4p দ্যাট মিন্স পি আৰু 4pৰ কাৰণে মুভমেণ্টটো 0 হ'ব এই দুটা ফৰ্চ আমি কনচিডাৰ নকৰোঁ So what force we will consider? This 2p and this 3p force আমি consider কৰিম so 2p কাৰণ আমি ইয়াৰে স্কোয়াৰৰ আমি কিমান ধৰি লৈছিলো সাইড a ধৰি লৈছিলো তাৰ মানে 2p কাৰণে আমাৰ কি হৈছে 2p * a আৰু 3p কাৰণে 3p * a আমি তাহাতক সাম কৰি কাৰ ইকুৱেল বুলি ক'ব পাৰিম ৰিজাল্টেন্ট ফৰ্চটোৰ লগত আৰু হেতৰ x2 ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি x ৰ ভ্যালু ইমানখিনি পাই যাম ওকে so that's all thank you